This is the new Master Band Jig from Stone Spare. The tool to help you make your own Catapult band sets. It's all steel construction, is galvanised and fully adjustable. It's quick to use with the cam lock lever and the separate forceps. Okay, so let's see it in action. Just note that the forceps I'm using are also included in the price with the jig. So this is how I make my own band sets. Cut the rubber a little bit over double length so that when both ends are attached to the bands you can just cut them in the middle to get each side exactly the same. Nice even band sets. The band goes through the hole in the Catapult pouch and is folded over. You then grip that with the forceps. The forceps have got a rubber sleeve on them to stop them damaging the bands. Put the other end of the pouch over the spike on the band jig, and then the forceps and the live end of the band, they go in the fork of the jig. Then move the lever back and the band is stretched out. Tie the first end with 2 loops of the tie, insert a string loop, put another 2 wraps around, back out through the loop in the string, pull it through and release. Then you need to release the band jig, release the forceps, just snip off the excess, and then just repeat for the other side exactly the same. When you've done both sides, fold the pouch in half, cut the band in the middle, and then you've got 2 equal bands either side. Obviously that won't work for tapered bands, but it saves a lot of time and measurement with straight cut bands. So overall this is a very robust tool, very fast to use. To be honest, if I was using it myself on a regular basis, I would secure it to a wooden plinth. I think that way it would move around a lot less. It tends to slide on shiny surfaces, so secured to a wooden block with some rubber feet on, or a bit of foam rubber on the bottom would stop all that and make it even better. But all in all, great tool, plenty of room to get your hand round, which with the pocket jig can be a little bit challenging. But with this one, it really is plenty of room to manoeuvre. Good jig to learn on, and save a lot of money with making your own band sets. Okay, thanks for watching.